What's up, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy LB and welcome back to my another tutorial video. Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to copy color grading from other clip into your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. So now let's get jumping and let's see how it is. Guys, as you see here, I have two different clips, and this is my clip which I'm going to paste my color grading, okay, and this is the other one which I'm going to copy this color grading and then paste it here in this clip. So now go here on this color grading panel workspace, and then let me open up this colorways match. Guys, you have to make sure to click on my footage, okay, and then go here on the comparison view. Guys, you see here, one is to copy the color grading, the second one to paste it on it, and then click here on apply match, okay, and then wait a few little bit. Okay, guys, you see it's already getting. So now the things I'm going to do, I'm going to try to edit and then have looks like this first one, okay, you see guys. So then close this colorways match, and then let me open up this basic correction, and I'm going to add like this contrast. Yes, let me increase this contrast, and then I have to increase again this color, this yellow color, and then have to increase this highlight, okay, in order to have looks same as the first one. And this white, okay, this white too, yeah, it looks good. And let me increase, yeah, when you play, you see, yeah, there is some few details, okay. Let me open up this HCL secondary, and I'm going to choose, yeah, this yellow color, and then let me choose this red one, and you have to make sure the red one is selected. Enable this color gray. And guys, you see here in this footage, I'm going to increase like some yellow color, okay, in order to have looks like this first one. Guys, you see how it looks. Yeah, let me add this yellow one. Yeah, man, this is good. So now it has nice look, okay. Yeah, that's good. So now let me click here on the comparison view again, and this is how my clip is. So this is the image, okay, and this is my footage, and this is before and then this is after. Guys, as you see here, you see how you can copy this color grading from other clip, from any clip you have to your, and then you have to paste it into your video clip. Guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to make subscribe, like, and drop your comment down below. Let me know what you think. See you guys in next video. Peace.